Alright, and it's referenced back here with the HO scale review, and right now we're going to look at 040 steam engine, and this is a older model from probably about 20 years ago. It's a variety of colors. You have red, black, silver. Not really one paint scheme it's in. And you have the smokestack right there, which was separate. It was installed earlier. Then you have some wheels on the tender that were put on as well. So this is mainly going to be a piece that'll be a background type of engine, since it can't run, but it's going to be an engine that you're going to see in the videos, as I said, mainly as a background engine.
Yeah, it's kind of interesting. It's an interesting look at it, I think. And found it, I guess, in a box, with a bunch of other stuff. So worth maybe looking at to restore.
Yeah, and that's something to look at with these type of engines, and it's the same engine as this one right here. This engine, this black one that we numbered, number 50, it looks the same. If you put the two beside each other, they are identical. This one doesn't have a tender. This one that we're reviewing right here does. And you have some old wires there between the cab and the tender. So this is an engine that's definitely going to be looking to be restored coming up, and one that you'll see in our videos. So this is a review of the 040 steam locomotive.